way to New York City.
By train, New York City is 15 minutes away. Westfield World Trade Center is an underground shopping mall and is the largest shopping complex in Manhattan.
Looking out there.
Thank you.
Wow! Super cool. Welcome to New York.
Check the station outside. A first impression of New York.
How do they do it? How do they do all of this? Like, how is this structurally sound?
Pretty cool. Bless you!
My first day in New York.
The 9/11 Memorial is a tribute of remembrance, honoring the 2,977 people killed in the terror attacks of September 11, 2001 at the World Trade Center site.
City Hall. We're going over there. Where are we going after here?
Look at the dogs. They have a little jumpsuit on. Oh my goodness.
Let's go to the Empire State. Let's go.
Oh Lord.
Welcome to the world's most famous building, and you get to see it built. Keep your arms and legs inside and keep your eyes open. All right, we're coming up to the 80th floor. You're headed to the top of the Empire State Building right here in the heart of New York City.
Oh my goodness, that was cool. It feels good. We're reacting.
The Empire State Building was built from 1930 to 1931, is a 102-story Art Deco skyscraper in the Midtown South neighborhood of Manhattan in New York City. It's currently the 4th tallest building in New York City, the 6th tallest in the USA. Central Terminal is a landmark destination of NYC with more than 750,000 people visiting every day. Built in 1913, is known for its elaborate details, including the iconic zodiac ceiling with 12 gold leaf constellations and 2,500 stars.
Right here.
Wait for me.
Edge.
Aquí Católica, ya lo.
Okay, we're gonna go in last because you have the fastest.
The Edge is the highest outdoor sky deck in the Western Hemisphere, is the world's second highest outdoor observation platform with transparent flooring. Located on the 100th floor, the Edge includes a bar and event space on the adjacent 101st floor.
Let's do it. Let's go outside.
Look at this poor lady. She's like, let me inside, please. What? Oh my god. Okay. Aquí, mira. Wow. Ay, me da miedo. I love this. I love it.
Casi todos los aviones.
Wow, my god.
Mira, que cae volando.
This is like a really good
Go up there.
Take you a nap.
Oh, Katty, come. Come. Oh, this is stupid.
It's gonna be loud.
Oh my god.
Huh?
Will you take my photo?
That's probably too close to Apple.
You're scared? Okay, babe. Alright, Kathy, you have to. Wait, oh, Ian. Take our photo really quickly, okay? We have to sit
Okay.
down. Yeah, we can do it.
Hell no.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.